Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, working on the 100-day project. This is day 73, and I'm just finishing up this journal right now, this Edith Holden journal, and the next thing I'd like to do is work on this side pocket right here. And I've got an idea, and I'm going to put this lovely little paper in here. And actually the paper blends really nicely with this fabric, so I like that. So that's good. And it kind of, something about the colors in that butterfly too. So we got that, we have that going for us. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring that paper down right to this crease. Originally it was kind of like a little book, and it kind of went like this. So I'm just gonna, let it flatten itself out, and I think that'll be fine. And I'm not gonna fold it over, but I'm gonna take it right to this point. And actually, this I can mark. Get my little pencil. So just inside that line. Okay, so let's glue that down, and then I'll trim off those little corners. That will work nicely. Oh, I got a little, there we go. Oh, not down there, not on there. Which way do I want this? I think this way is fine. Just kind of move it around a little. Okay. Now we can come back in here. Get my little Tim Holtz scissors. That fine tip. And then we'll smooth that all down, make sure everything is secure. Then I think I will take a couple pieces. I'm gonna save that piece. I'm gonna use this. Here, like so. Now we're just gonna collage this together. Just kind of push that down. Make sure everything's snug. Snug as a bug in a rug. Here we go. Woo! Here we go. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Could probably use this here. Probably could. Okay, just take this. I don't know what I'm doing. What are you doing? I don't know. Oh, that angle is perfect. Okay, that's excellent. So I just need to get this, and we'll be golden. Haha. That is so perfect. I can't believe how perfect that is. Gluey and gooey. Okay. Snug up against there. there we go. Oh, I like it. How's that look? Very good, very good. Excellent. Now I have to decide how I'm gonna attach this, because I want that to sit down and be able to tuck stuff in. I didn't really think about this too much. I'm thinking I'm just gonna glue along here, and then you can just put stuff in like a pocket, I guess. Or I could add a little bit down here and make it sort of like that. So if I have it down like this, then stuff will just go in this way. I guess that's fine. That's fine. I think that's plenty good. Just hold that down a second. Make sure it's nice and snug. Not going anywhere. And I did find a piece of the original stationery that came with the cover, and there was this piece and this piece. So those two are going to go in here. Extra piece of stationery, and oop, you can do it. There we go. I'm going to keep those separate, I think, and then those will just go right in that pocket there. And then I'll put maybe 2 envelopes in with it. Just like that. Oh, that's snug in there. That's very good. Okay, good. Just kind of put those down there. And then flip it over. Now we've got the back. So I wanted to save this piece with that butterfly right there for this one. And I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom with this one. So, yeah. Let me just see here. I keep that on there like so. And if this angle is all matched up, everything should work. And then I'll just okay. Now let's see how I did with the cutting. It's always like, did we do it? Okay. And then I can always trim around. So I think we did it. We are golden. Golden. Okay. So I'm just gonna glue this right here. Use these fine point ones. Just kind of follow that line. Hopefully I rounded it okay. Oh yeah. Oh good. Oh good, good. I'm gonna get rid of these. Not everybody does that, but I like to do that. And then more come out. So it doesn't matter anyways. I'm gonna give this a little, just a little on that edge. There's a little edge here I need to trim. Sticking out. That's better. Now we'll ink it again. There. Some inky crumbs. And then we can, I think I'll just glue it here on this side. Little crumbs out of there. Hold that down a minute, and then we can put some more stationery and some more envelopes in the back from that stationery set. So blue smudge. Okay, that should be good. All right, so we've got our, I don't know what this is. Looks like a little glue guy, which of course I can't leave alone. There we go. Okay, so stationery in the back, stationery in the front. Lovely. Put it this way. No, we can't. Put it this way. Very nice. I'm liking the cream. Okay, so then I decided I can use this to put corners in on the back. That's what I'm going to do. And I really don't want them to be too big. I do think I would like to use, oh, I'll use this side. Which side is the straight side? That would be this side is the straight side. So I might as well get out my paper cutter. Let's cut straight paper today. It'll be great. Okay. Now, should do it, hopefully. And we just cut them out. This way they'll be all the same. Now, I did want to try to use, yeah, there we go. I'll just snip that like that. That's another one. And here we go. How do we think? Let's check them out. See how they look. Well, I don't know if I got much of any of that rose color in it, and I don't know how I feel about that. And I do want these to go right up to the top. Well, I think I can fix that if I just use some ink. Tea dye is what I want for that. So let me get the tea dye. I mean, if I don't like it, I can always redo them. But I think I'm gonna like it like that. Yeah. That just pulled in what I needed. Oh! This one seems like smaller than the others. Okay, I'm gonna make one more because I just feel like it's just not quite right. So I do it like this and then take it across here. See how I like that one better. I'll ink it. Just looked a little too small. Just a little small. There we go. Better. Better, better. I think I'm going to go right to the corner because I actually am using these for reinforcement, not just aesthetic. There we go. I like it. Happy with this. And I like that you can see the copyright on it. Kind of see where it all came from. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Very nice. And then the back is, oh, I like this. Okay, and we're at 17 minutes, so we're doing pretty darn good. And I think that just about does it. You know, I have to do the thing where I just kind of let it rest for a few days and see if I want to add anything. But for the most part, I am pretty darn happy. Okay, I see I did have a little bit of glue that came through my spine. So let me just check all these to make sure. There's a little bit that came through there, but it's almost totally dry now. This one, a little bit came through there. None there, so that's good. None there. Maybe a little right there. That one's good. A little right there. Just where those pages are, you know, because some of these pages aren't the same height. So just at the top there, there's a little bit coming through on these parts, but that looks like it's no problem. So that's good. That's good to know. So yeah, this is what we have so far. And very happy with it. Well, we kind of did just do a flip through, so I don't have to do another one. All right. Well, if you haven't heard about my retreat, you can go ahead and email me and find out the details. Right now I'm offering $200 off until Sunday, January 22nd. And you can find out all the details. The retreat is in Wisconsin in April, the weekend after Easter. So yeah, just send me an email. The email is in the description below. And as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.